All right, let's check this one out. I have to say this is one of Harley Earl's finer designs. Kind of the creme de la creme, if you will. 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Seville. Wow. Just a beautiful car with these lines, the chrome. You imagine in 1957 driving one of these off a Cadillac showroom, taking it home, pulling up in your driveway. You were definitely somebody. This would have been, I think, from 57 to 59, the most expensive Cadillac that you could have purchased. And of course, the infamous Dagmars up front that were actually designed to mimic an artillery shell. Harley Earl wanted the car to look fast and sleek. That's why those are up there, was to actually mimic a artillery shell. And then I think they kind of maybe got the nicknames from there, and that's where the Dagmar came from. I'll let you have the chuckle over that if you already know. If not, well, you may have to Google it or do a little research to figure out what those were representing. Anyway, nicely finished car. Has been repainted. It is in a desert tan color with a tan cloth top. I won't call it vinyl. Very nice fabric on the top. Get around to that and show you. Then it also has kind of a beige or tan interior, finished off very plush and leather. This car was very highly equipped in 1957. It does have power steering, also has power brakes or hydro assist brakes. And if you look on the data tag, it did have a EHK in there. E would have been easy eye glass, not sure what the H was. K would be air conditioning. So this is a factory AC car. I did try the AC before this video. It does blow cool. Compressor turns on and off. It could maybe use a recharge to blow cold, but it was blowing cool. Everything seemed to be working. I'm riding on those wide whites, beautiful chrome wheels, and look up and down this car. Very nice and straight. Is it absolutely perfect? No, but man, is this one very, very nice. You might find a little, if I can get it to show up in the camera, there's one little ding there I noticed. But overall, very, very nice car. Won't be afraid to roll up in this one at any show. Your local cruise-ins or just out to show it off and have some fun. This one will turn heads. One of the cool things in the 57s, watch this right here. When you open the door, that will fold open. So if the glass was in there, it would come out. You go to close it, closes right back up over the glass. Help reduce wind noise, rain, moisture getting in there. Feel free to take a look at the still pictures. They can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Give us a call too if you have any questions. Feel free to call us at 507-386-1726. There you can see just a nice quality cloth on that top. Now let's get around to the rear. Look at the wing, just beautiful. Styling of the lights, the chrome. Well, that bumper kind of splits and forms at each side. Again, when Harley Earl designed this one, he got it right. This one's been highlighted with chrome. The Eldorado in the back, of course, that Cadillac logo up front. The V, front and back both, and then that gold grill up front. So just some beautiful gold accents to go along with the chrome bumpers, all the chrome accent pieces, such as on top of this wing here. And those are all very nice shape. Not pitted, not scratched. Very, very nice shape. This car is powered by a 365 cubic inch underneath the hood, paired with an automatic transmission, as it would have came from Cadillac back in 1957. Look at the headliner. Let's go ahead and open this up. I'm going to start it up so you can hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Like I said, the interior of this is probably more plush than it would have came from the Cadillac in the day. This has been restored. Look at the chrome and how everything carried on through from the outside in. Here's where your window switches were. Obviously all the windows are down. Power windows do work. Look at it. Chrome wheel, chrome dash. It's a stunning car. Those are vents up on top of the dash that the AC blows through, so you can have those open or closed. manually flip open or closed. Let's start this up. See here, around this, check out that engine bay. See how smooth it runs. Get a close-up look at the chrome dash and gauges. I did click the radio on. We do have power there with a light. See if we get anything out. I am in a kind of a tin building, so it's sometimes reception isn't the best, but you do have a light powered up on there. And once again, that AC does blow cool. Compressor turns on and off, but I did not have it blowing real cold. May need to be recharged. So nicely that door closes. Slip around to the back. No crazy rumble. Just what you'd expect out of a 57 Cadillac Eldorado. I'm going to come up to the front, pause this a second, let's check out that engine bay. See how that looks. Alright, here you go. That Cadillac V8 underneath there. The AC, by the way, has been converted, as you can see. The newer AC compressor on there, you can tell by the fittings here. That has been converted. Like I said, power steering, power brakes. It's a nice, tidy looking engine bay. Just what you'd expect. So once again, uniqueclassiccars.com. Check out the still pictures. Feel free to call us, 507-386-1726. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available, and we can sure assist you with transportation to where you're located at. Give us a call. Just a stunning 1957 Cadillac Eldorado Seville.